So when I'm making my bud vases, I like to have this propped down, and then I'm bringing it up just enough to get over the rock. There's still a lot of down pressure there. I'm going to take my spoon that I've prepped, and I'm going to put it right in until this is nice and vertical. Slowly turn it to my left. That's nice and straight left and right. Those are the two that I'm going for. So this is straight and that's straight for my vision. I'm going to start with my solder with a small curl because I'm going to be going in here. Try and hold your torch at an even angle, and you want just a little bit of teeth. These little blue teeth here, I want them down just a little bit, and I'm going to poke right there. Give yourself about 1.5 inches or so. I'm heating up that spot right there. I don't want to heat up the silver too much. So that started to flow and it just pushed more in. So now we're onto the bottom. I'm focusing right here. We don't want our spoon to get dark. I'm going to twist this around to this side. I want to heat this up just enough so that whenever the solder touches it, it's going to start to move and come up at an angle, and just push right into it, and you should be able to get it to go all the way around. And if not, be very careful and flame off. You can spray it now, or you can wait about 20 seconds. Before you take this off though, always make sure you kind of give it a little tilt and look right down there, and if you see it move at all, it's not solidified, which means it's still too hot to move. So giving it a bath now. If you want to test it, so you can see the silver in there, or the solder in there, goes all the way around, and you can try and bend it off there. You can try and bend it. As long as it's standing up and it's straight, we'll take it. We only have 48 left to go. So I hope that helps you. More videos to come soon.